You're in the market for a used car, listen up, because after the recent flooding right here in the tri-state, some people may try to take advantage of potential buyers. So how do you make sure you're not buying a car like this one that was recently underwater? Well, consumer reporter Taylor Nimmo went to the experts. She walks us through the steps you can take right now so you don't waste your money.
After the flooding earlier this month, there were cars across the tri-state that looked like this. Keith Brown, owner of K&M Automotive, says a lot of times flooded cars are a total loss.
You know, you have a vehicle that's flooded, you're not going to repair it. Insurance isn't going to cover it, whatever the case may be. You need to get rid of it. Some people will, scrap it, get it to a scrapyard and get rid of it. But some people try to clean them up and sell them.
Brown says sometimes car owners try to cover up any damage and get it off their hands by selling it to potential buyers who may not even realize something is wrong.
Could definitely lead to bigger issues that are very expensive to fix and actually hard to find.
So I wanted to know the ways you can spot potential flood damage. Brown showed me exactly what to look out for. The first step is to check the vehicle's history.
If you're buying from a reputable dealership or something along those lines, Carfax.
Those reports will show if the car has ever been reported as flood damaged. Next, get an independent inspection.
Before you purchase it is key.
He says inspections can cost between $70 and $140, but will save you much more in the long run. You'll also want to look out for any mildew or musty smells.
Inside glass condensation is big. There should be no reason that you have moisture inside the vehicle.
Look for visible water lines on carpets, seats, and door panels. Brown walked me through the process as he inspected a car. He says the spare tire well is often overlooked.
It's an area that's low in the vehicle and is typically not cleaned, and if you find rust and debris in there, there's a good chance there was water back there at some point in time. And in this case, there is a little bit of rust and debris in there.
If you see brand new carpets in an older vehicle, this could be a red flag. Repairs were done to cover up flood damage. You can also check the car's title. Look for markings indicating flood or salvage, which could mean a car was reported as a total loss. In Norwood, Taylor Nimmo, WCPO 9 News.